Ever heard the spine-tingling roar of a Ferrari V8 without the seven-figure price tag? Believe it or not, that exotic soundtrack is hiding in plain sight, powering a surprisingly affordable car on our list. Get ready to have your perceptions of value and performance blown wide open as we reveal 10 cheap cars with features you simply won't believe. One of these is making Italian dreams accessible to the masses, and the rest? Well, watch till the end and find out yourself. Let's start with a dose of British charm and raw power, the first generation Jaguar XKR. Think sleek lines, that iconic leaping cat on the hood, and a growling V8 under the bonnet. These XKRs produced from the late 90s to the mid-2000s. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 4.0-liter V8 churning out around 370 horsepower and a healthy 387 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the low 5-second range and on to a limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Best of all, you can snag a well-maintained example for surprisingly little these days, making it a proper head-turner for the price. You can find these beauties for as low as $10,000 to $15,000 depending on mileage and condition. Imagine pulling up to an event in one of these. The classic Jaguar design speaks volumes, hinting at a refined taste and a touch of adventure. Stories abound of people mistaking these for much newer and much more expensive cars. Next up, we're heading to Italy for a taste of exotic flair, the Maserati Gran Turismo. The sound alone of that Ferrari-derived V8 is enough to make people stop and stare. While brand new Maseratis certainly command a hefty price tag, the early Gran Turismo models are now dipping into more accessible territory. Believe it or not, you can snag one for around $20,000 to $30,000, though maintenance costs might stretch that budget a little. These beauties pack a naturally aspirated 4.2-liter V8 pushing out around 400 horsepower and roughly 339 pound-feet of torque. That translates to a 0 to 60 mile per hour time in the high 4-second range and a top speed flirting with 180 miles per hour. The Pininfarina design bodywork is timeless. The unmistakable Maserati trident on the grille screams luxury. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard, the glorious V8 soundtrack echoing around you. It's a feeling of indulgence and style that belies the car's current market value. But how can a car with such a prestigious badge and incredible performance be so relatively affordable now? Is there a catch? Stay tuned to find out. The affordability of early Maserati Gran Turismos often comes down to higher running costs compared to more mainstream brands. Things like maintenance and parts can be more expensive. However, many argue that the sheer presence and the emotional experience of owning a Maserati are well worth the extra expense for those seeking a unique and attention-grabbing ride. This highlights that looking rich isn't always about pure financial prudence, but sometimes about prioritizing passion and style. Now, here's a twist that might surprise you. Some of these cheap cars can actually appreciate in value over time if you choose wisely and maintain them well. Yup, you heard that right. While cars are generally depreciating assets, certain models with a strong enthusiast following and limited production numbers can buck that trend. Think about it, a well-preserved classic sports car or a rare performance variant could actually become a worthwhile investment while you enjoy its head-turning appeal. Case in point, the Toyota MR2, which we'll discuss shortly, has seen a surge in value in recent years. Speaking of appreciating assets, let's talk about the second-generation Toyota MR2, also known as the SW20. This mid-engine marvel offers a taste of exotic car dynamics without the luxury car price tag. These classics can be yours for as little as $8,000 to $12,000, with pristine examples fetching a bit more. Its sharp angular lines were reminiscent of Ferraris of the era, and it still looks fantastic today. The SW20 came with various engine options, but even the base 2.2-liter inline-4 offered a respectable 130 horsepower and around 145 pound-feet of torque. While 0 to 60 times varied, the focus was on handling and driver engagement. The real appeal here is the unique mid-engine layout and the sporty silhouette that fools many into thinking it's a far more expensive machine. Imagine carving through back roads in an MR2, the engine singing behind you. The experience is engaging and feels special, and the car's distinctive look definitely draws attention. Moving to American muscle with a touch of sophistication, let's discuss the C5 generation Chevrolet Corvette. These Corvettes, produced from 1997 to 2004, represent a sweet spot of performance and value. The sleek aerodynamic design still looks modern. Roar of that V8 is unmistakable. Under the hood is the legendary LS1 5.7-liter V8, pumping out around 345 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That's good for a 0 to 60 mile/hour sprint in the low 5-second range and a top speed approaching 175 miles per hour. For the performance and the iconic status, the C5 Corvette offers incredible bang for your buck. You're looking at a starting price of around $12,000 to $18,000 for a well-kept C5 Corvette. Think about the feeling of an open-top cruising in a Corvette, the V8 burbling away. It's an undeniable symbol of American performance and a car that commands respect. Our next contender is a bit of a wild card, the Factory 5 Racing 818. This is a kit car, meaning you build it yourself, but the end result is a stunning mid-engine sports car that looks like it costs a fortune. Based on Subaru WRX mechanicals, the 818 offers impressive performance in a lightweight package. Depending on the donor car, you can expect around 200 to 300 horsepower from the turbocharged 2.0 or 2.5-liter boxer engine. Thanks to its low weight, the 818 can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 5 seconds and handle that like a dream. The sleek, modern design is a head-turner, and the fact that it's a kit car often surprises people. Imagine the satisfaction of building your own sports car that looks like $1 million. The 818 offers a unique blend of performance and exclusivity for a fraction of the cost of a comparable exotic. You could build your own for about $15,000 to $20,000, depending on the donor car and options. So, if it's a kit car, does that mean the build quality isn't up to par with factory-produced vehicles? What are the potential drawbacks? While the design of the Factory 5 818 is impressive, the final build quality largely depends on the skills and attention to detail of the person assembling it. This can be a double-edged sword, allowing for customization but also potentially leading to inconsistencies if not built carefully. However, a well-built 818 can certainly rival the fit and finish of many production sports cars, offering a unique and rewarding ownership experience. Now, let's talk about something a little different. Any model year of an Acura Integra Type R that has been tastefully modified with an LB Works or similar wide-body kit. While a stock Integra Type R is already a desirable and appreciating classic, adding a Liberty Walk style kit elevates its presence to another level. A stock Integra Type R can cost you $30,000 to $50,000 today. The wide-body kit can push that even higher, depending on the quality of the build. The aggressive stance, exposed rivets, and widened fenders transform the humble Honda into a show-stopping beast. The original Integra Type R packed a high-revving 1.8-liter VTEC engine producing around 195 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque. While not the fastest in a straight line, the handling is phenomenal. The modified versions, with their imposing looks, often get mistaken for much more expensive tuner cars. Moving back to European flair, let's consider the first-generation Audi TT. Its Bauhaus-inspired design was revolutionary when it was released, and it still looks chic and sophisticated today. The rounded shapes and clean lines give it a timeless appeal. The early TTs came with various turbocharged 1.8-liter engines, with the higher-spec versions producing around 225 horsepower and 207 pound-feet of torque. That's enough for a 0 to 60 mile/hour time in the mid-6-second range. The real draw here is the distinctive styling that sets it apart from the crowd and hints at a more premium pedigree. The first-gen Audi TT can be yours for as low as $6,000 to $12,000, offering affordable European flair. Imagine cruising through the city in a first-gen TT, its unique silhouette catching the eye of passers-by. It's a statement of style and a car that feels more expensive than it actually is. For a dose of modern Japanese sports car cool, consider the Nissan 350Z or its successor, the 370Z. These rear-wheel drive coupes offer sharp styling and engaging driving dynamics at a relatively affordable price. You'll find the 350Z starting at about $8,000, with the newer 370Z models starting closer to $15,000. The 350Z boasts a 3.5-liter V6 producing around 287 to 306 horsepower, while the 370Z ups the ante with a 3.7-liter V6 making around 332 to 350 horsepower. Both offer strong performance, 0 to 60 mile/hour times in the low 5-second range. Their aggressive looks and sporty stance definitely give off a "this person enjoys nice things" vibe. Think about the thrill of hitting the open road in a Z, the V6 engine singing, and the responsive handling putting a smile on your face. They're cars that look fast standing still. Now, these were some great cars so far, but Can you afford a stylish convertible that makes the crowd go, damn? Another stylish European option is the first-generation BMW Z4. You can go for either E85 Roadster or E86 Coupe, however you see fit. These offer classic sports car proportions with a long hood, short rear deck, and that iconic BMW kidney grille. They came with a range of inline-six engines, with the higher-spec models packing a 3.0-liter producing around 255 horsepower. The Z4 offers a blend of sporty handling and open-top fun for the roadster, projecting an image of carefree sophistication. Picture yourself cruising along the coast in a Z4 convertible, wind in your hair. It's a lifestyle statement and a car that exudes a certain level of success. The Z4 can be yours for around $10,000 to $15,000, offering European style and performance on a budget. Finally, topping our list is the early Lotus Elise. This lightweight British sports car is all about minimalist design and pure driving enjoyment. Its low-slung profile and purposeful stance make it look far more exotic than its price tag suggests. You can find an early Lotus Elise for about $25,000 to $35,000, an absolute bargain for its exotic looks and driving experience. Powered by a relatively small 1.8-liter Toyota engine producing around 118 to 190 horsepower depending on the variant, the Elise prioritizes agility and handling over outright power. Its incredibly lightweight allows it to achieve impressive performance, with 0 to 60 mph times in the low 5-second range for some models. The Elise is a statement of pure automotive passion and often gets mistaken for cars costing many times its value. And there you have it, 10 cheap cars that can seriously elevate your perceived status. From classic British charm to Italian flair and Japanese performance, these cars prove that looking rich doesn't require emptying your bank account. So, which of these surprisingly stylish rides would you choose to make a statement? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this list inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share this video with anyone looking to turn heads on a budget. Until next time, keep those engines revving and your style on point.